really a matter of now you know, but rather a matter of now you know how to. What I'm talking about is drawing. Most people say, oh, I can't draw, which of course is not really true. I think all of us can draw. All we need is self-confidence. We need a fairly good eye so we can see, and we need practice. We need to want to draw. And if you have those three things, a good eye, a desire to do it, and self-confidence, you'll be able to draw. When children start to draw, well, anybody starts to draw, one of the first mistakes they make is to get an eraser and start erasing everything, you know, trying to make it perfect from the beginning. It doesn't work like that. What I thought we'd do today is we'd try drawing faces together, heads. And I'll teach you one or two little tricks which should help you. Let's first of all draw a triangle. That's roughly the shape of a head. What you have to remember is that this line should be straight. Now let's take that same triangle, but let's round the edges a little bit. So instead of it being like that, we'll do something like this. Okay, let me draw it for you. I'll start here, now, whoops. I'll start here, and I'll go round, and I'll go down, and I'll go round, and I'll go up, and round again. Okay? Now this is the top of your head. We call it the top of the skull. And this here is your chin. Now halfway between the top of your head and your chin, approximately, are your eyes. So if we measure from there to there, roughly there will be the eyes. Then halfway between your eyes and your chin will be your nose. So let's put the bottom of your nose like that. That's roughly halfway between there and there. And then halfway between the bottom of your nose and your chin is your mouth. We'll put your mouth there. And obviously faces are all different, but that is approximately what your face looks like. So first of all, we take the distance from your skull to your chin, and we cut it in half. And that's where your eye is. Then you take the halfway between there, and that's roughly your mouth, your nose, sorry. And then halfway there is your mouth. You can see I'm not quite accurate, but roughly. Now then, when we get the eye in like that, remember your nose actually comes up. It doesn't start down here, it starts up here. So where your eye is, you get the bridge of your nose coming out like that. Your mouth, your eye. Now here we can add an eye. You see, as soon as I add the eye, the face comes to life. Now your ear, this is a difficult one. If you take the corner of your eye, just there, and you go down to your chin, half that distance will be the back of your ear. Sounds very complicated, doesn't it? So the distance from your eye to your chin, half of it is roughly there. So here is the back of your ear. And that's how you begin to draw a face. Now of course you can add things in. You can add eyebrows. You can make them bushy like that. You can make him happy, and so on. You can have hair like this, and that's how you draw a face. It's not really very difficult, is it? We'll do some more drawing another day. Oh, one more thing before I forget. You've got to add the neck so the head comes onto the body. Now most people make the mistake of putting the neck straight down. Well, necks don't go straight down. Necks actually lean a little bit like this. So if you're going to put a neck on this person, you have to lean it a little bit like that. And there you've got the basics of a head. I'll talk more about it another day.